letter O.
Wow! Let's explore the ocean. Wow! They are so cute!
Zoe, look! These are my friends!
Oh! So many balls! So many friendly octopus! Look! We found so many glowing pearls!
Oh! Outstanding teamwork!
Wow!
Look! A giant letter O!
Wow!
O is for ocean and octopus. Great job!
Thanks for watching, friends! Choose your next fun adventure. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! See you next time!